could hear the weather. I built a system that turns live weather data from anywhere on Earth into music. So every city has its own song. We experience weather every day. Temperature, rain, humidity. It changes how places look. It changes how they feel. In fact, it can even change how we feel in a place. So if it holds so much emotional gravity, it should be able to become music easily.
But how do you actually turn a live weather report into musical guidelines? Well, it's surprisingly simple. Every time I type in a city, the system pulls the current weather data. To turn those raw numbers into art, I use a software called Touch Designer. Don't worry about the code. Just think about it as a translator. I took these massive, messy climate numbers and scaled them down to simple percentages. Think of it like a dimmer switch from 0 to 100%. Then, depending on what we're looking at, 0 means freezing, no wind, no cloud cover, and 100 means super hot, very windy, maximum overcast.
Out of all of the parameters we could have chosen from, I decided to go with temperature, humidity, wind speed, cloud coverage, and rain, because I feel like those affect emotion the most. The parameter that changes the music most is actually temperature, because I mapped it to the pitch. For centuries, musicians actually used the temperature of a room to tune instruments. As you can see right now, I'm in Paris, and the temperature is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that the pitch is only +1. But if I go to somewhere like Nuuk, Greenland, the temperature there is 40 degrees. So here's Paris, and here's Nuuk. You can hear it drop significantly. The other thing that changes with the temperature is saturation. So if I go to somewhere really hot, like Dubai, the pitch changes, but so does the saturation. You can hear and see that the saturation actually makes it feel a little bit distorted and warm and almost uncomfortable. Now let's go to somewhere really cloudy. We're going to Kirkwall. And you can hear that our high pass filter cuts out a lot of those high ends. On a cloudy day, you feel like the high end is missing. It feels very low, kind of drags you down. Now let's go to somewhere rainy. Osaka. You can hear there's actually a rain sample. So I just mapped the rain to the volume of this rain sample. So if there's rain, it goes up. And if there isn't, it'll go down. Watch the rain sample here. Okay, what about somewhere humid, like where I am now in Valencia? It's also windy here. And hot. So the wind makes my arpeggiation go faster. As you can hear, there are more notes in the melody. And then we have our wind sample. It's also humid, which means that our reverb is pretty high right now. Okay, since I'm already in Valencia, let's see if this song feels like the city does. Let's go for a walk.
But weather doesn't just change from place to place, it changes from moment to moment. Because the system pulls data completely live, it acts as a real-time songwriter, constantly rewriting the track. This was Valencia's weather yesterday, and if I refresh it, this is Valencia now. The temperature dropped and the clouds rolled in, which instantly drops the pitch and hits the entire track with a cold, deep effect. So I'm going to do the exact same walk I did yesterday, but with the updated song. See if you can hear and feel the difference.
Okay, now for a little fun challenge. I'm going to try to drum along with these different cities. This one is Madrid.